How are you, theologians? I hope you're doing great today, despite the many challenges that you met in everyday living. Well, yesterday I was caught with my motorcycle driving. I was able to locate that there's a great leakage coming from the transmission lever. At the same time, from the oil indicator oil seal, and you can find out that there's a lot of corrosion underneath. So, just like we are seeing right now, there. Alright, so I have to sit down first, just like what I'm saying. I have to fix this thing first. So we're using number 10 wrenches to open the transmission housing, as you can see. Well, for a while I have to show gratitude and say thank you for the good Samaritan that helped me to push my motorcycle. Here I am near the motorcycle shop. Here I have to fix this one. You know, it's really a great thing to see, and you met persons who has this great heart to willing to help, because you know at this very time you cannot really, somehow it's very good to recommend other people towards this kind of art. So this one I am trying to open by using rugs, that is jack, because there's what makes this very difficult to remove is, one is the gasket has already been fixed or dried between these two, between the glass housing and then the cylinder block. So I have to use this now. So you can see it's already been opened, the wood is already clean. So this is the one as I am talking about. It's already broken. These are the remote seats that's really surround this one, so the rubber is already getting thicker. So this one is the replacement, as you can see. Okay, so that's a small amount of gasoline coming from the tank, which I'm going to use to wash all mess and corrosions in the lever, in the gearbox, in the housing. So here I'm trying to apply a gasket maker to fix the oil seal indicator on its hub. Place it minimal force. Trying to check it over. Make sure that the patterns on the surface. trying to remove the cover of the chain sprocket, because I have to find out also and remove the oil seal out from the transmission lever. Tighten the bolts, we have to follow the passing us, the units passing us. So it's not about on the other side. On the other side. Placing a small amount of gasoline. Drugs and remove the oil seal of the lever. Gratitude to the public children, so very good, because this is where I learned how to fix and the skills of having okay, so you can see this sprocket is quite messy. This one, already removed the oil seal. Now after tightening the bolts from the transmission housing, I have to start the lever. The other side, try to
This is the oil,
this one, oil seal
for the clutch and levers.
for the levers. Okay, so after that, after fixing and then the oil seal, I have to put back the lever and then pattern the transmission clutch. This one. Tama lang. Fixing that, just wait for a moment. Of leakage. Take the underneath, the amount engine. That's where you fix. So this I'm trying to pull down the oil. Third one. Then I start and find out the leakage. So that's it. I hope you really learned something from me. So next time, you just bring in with you your patience, and of course you have to bring also some of your emergency tools with you while driving. For subscribing to my channel, and also I need to hear your comment with this video. At the same time, please don't forget to tap the notification bell for you to be updated with my next video. This has been Santayo, and see you next time in my next video. For the mountains, God may be glorified. Thank you for watching.